Founded in 2005, J5 Pump is a leading manufacturer who specialises in deep well submersible pumps in China. We believe there is no limit to the exploration of water pump technology and have expanded the development of water pumps in all fields. Nowadays, we are an important water pump company in the world. J5 Pump seeks to improve the world in the water pump industry by innovation, by building an amazing team for design and development in all fields. We achieve long-term cooperation with many well-known universities. It ensures J5 Pump always stay at the forefront of industry technology. Studying technologies such as impellers and flow channel calculations. Higher efficiency and better performance is the advantage of J5 Pump. Mold design and the flexible production make the product's rapid upgrade happen. J5 Pump firmly occupy the first-class status of the world pump industry with better quality, shorter lead time and more professional service. The automatic production lines make the manufacture of pump parts with high precision and efficiency. Self-designed stamping progressive die process and special machines also help keeping the dimension precision and the quality stability. J5 Pump believe perfect details determine the success. We adopt higher standard to create value for every customers. From a water pump parts factory to a leading water pump company in all fields, J5 Pump is able to develop and produce stainless steel deep well pump, submersible borehole pump with plastic impeller, submersible motor, solar pump, vertical multi-stage pump, submerged pump, and so on. We have 6 series and more than 50 varieties of water pumps. J5 Pump has many honours from government in recognition of our contributions and also have ISO 9001, CE and other certifications. We supply pumps to more than 50 countries all over the world. For more than 20 years, J5 Pump is always a very trusted manufacturer in the pump industry.